morning, students. Welcome to the class. Last class I discussed with you the first chapter, Birsa Munda. Explain already over. तो question and answer में तुम्हारा copy रे करो आप पढ़ो. Today in this class we are going to read your second chapter. This is the Tilak Maji. Have you listened this name? Now prepare your own biodata from and write a small para about yourself following the above biodata. Look this. You can also make your own biodata. Now names biodata from of myself. Name your name right there this side. Then father's name, mother's name, place of birth, years of birth, profession of father, place of primary education, likes, what you likes, then dislikes, qualities, and in the life. देखो सुनो about 200 years ago, when hardly anyone thought of fighting against the British in India, Tilak Maji, a Santal, Bhagalpur in Bihar fought against them and he was hanged by the British. Our history books do not mention his name. We have forgotten this great man who sacrificed his life for country and show us path and freedom. Happy will read about this great man. देखो, in this class we are going to know about the Tilak Maji. About देखो ये विषय तिलक माझी विषय रे आमे आज पढ़ना. About 200 years ago, when hardly anyone thought fighting against the British in India, आमे जदि किनी प्राय 200 वर्ष जो समय रे कहिले जेतेले भारत रे जेतेले 200 वर्ष पर कथा कमा जेतेले भारत रे इंग्रेज शासन करथुले. तिलक माझी एक सांताल इन भागलपुर. तिलक माझी वन ऑफ द नेम्स. He fought against British. सांताल of भागलपुर जेंटा भागलपुर नु से बसवास करथुले. In Bihar fought against them was hanged by the British. जेन बिहार तमने against British मानकर से युद्ध करी करी ताको फांसी दिया गया. Hanged by the British. Our history books do not mention his name. आमर इतिहास बरे आमर तिलक माझी को ना मेंशन कराने जी सेटा नहीं नो. We have forgotten this great man who sacrificed life for the country and show of the path of freedom. आमे देखो आमर देश रे फ्रीडम फाइटर से लड़ी जन आमे ताको भूली देखो. We sacrifice life for the country show the path of freedom. जे हमको स्वाधीनता आने के लिए ताको आमे भूली थी. Here we will read about this great man. In this story we will read about the Tilak Maji. इन हमें पढ़ना तिलक माजी को विषय रे. देखो in 1750 Tilak Maji was born in Murmu family in a small village nearby Bhagalpur in Bihar. In 1750 रे 1750 रे Tilak Maji was born in a Murmu family in Bihar, small village. गोटे मुर्मू फैमिली बिहार जेंटा अछि भागलपुर ना. Here then Tilak Maji born 1750 in a Murmu family situated in Bihar, Bhagalpur. The village is called Tilakpur. Where he was born, the village is called Tilakpur. It is also situated in Bihar. The Murmu are priests among the Santals. So Tilak used to worship Maranguru from his early days. As the days went by, the grew of the religious man. People of all the religions had great love and respect for him. They called Tilak Baba. देखो The Murmu are priests among the Santals. जिन माने मुर्मू तिले से माने पूजा करते थे Santals मानकर. So the Tilak used to worship. तेरे तिलक को किने पूजा करवाले जिबारे पड़ता. Maranguru from his early days. Maranguru is from his early days. As the days went, he grew up to be a religious man. जितने दिन धीरे 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 जिते बड़ हेते गली से गोटे धार्मिक व्यक्ति बनीगली ला people of all religions had great love and respect for him and they called him Tilak Baba जेते भी रिलीजियस थे एते धर्म लोग थे ताकू बहुत लव कले सबे भल पेले ताकू सम्मान देले यानी दे कॉल्ड हिम तिलक बाबा जेते ऑल द पीपल्स लव हिम एंड आफ्टर देन हिज नेम चेंज तिलक बाबा Tilak was also very good using bow and arrow. आवरी मध्ये तिलक was also good using bow and arrow. से मध्ये तीर मारवारे बढ़िया से बहुत बढ़िया थे. They are known in the area who could surpass him at the shooting arrow from the bow. In their area, ताकर एरिया रे ताकन बढ़िया आउ तीर मारवार लोग आउ के ताकन जितवार बढ़िया लोग टे से नोने थे. He used to train the young men of the village and shooting arrow. He used to train young men. से किनी young लोग मान को शिक्षा भी दे रहा है ना देखो तुम्हारे रीडिंग टेक्स्ट आंसर इजे आफ्टर देन सम क्वेश्चन आंसर यू डू इट इन योर कॉपी ना नेक्स्ट क्लास में हमें पढ़ना टेक्स्ट रीडिंग का 2